to ESG Disclose Carbon Accounting Software as a Service tool, the comprehensive solution for managing your organization's carbon footprint. Whether your organization is large or small, our platform handles Scope 1, Scope 2, and all categories of Scope 3 emissions. To begin, log into the portal by entering your username and your password. Then click on Login. Upon successful logging in, you will be directed to the dashboard. Our intuitive dashboard provides a holistic view of your emissions. You can monitor Scope 1, Scope 2 emissions based on both location-based and market-based trends, as well as Scope 3 emissions. You can visualize your data with pie charts and bar charts for clear understanding of your emission sources. Detailed table display the precise value of your emissions, offering transparency and ease of analysis. Additionally, you can also visualize the Scope 3 emissions data categorized by various segments using both pie charts as well as bar charts. These graphical representations enhance the dashboard's usability, making the data easier to understand and more user-friendly. Our drill down analysis feature, which is accessible when you click on this green colored scope button here, allows you to explore each category of Scope 1, Scope 2, and Scope 3 emissions, enabling hotspot analysis based on the granularity of the data provided. Now you can select any specific scope for detailed analysis. For example, when you choose Scope 2, the data will be displayed showing the breakdown between location-based and market-based emissions, as well as the percentage of renewable electricity and non-renewable electricity consumed. Managing multiple sites and facilities is seamless with our organization management portal. You can simply go on the organization configuration button here. From this drop-down, you can click on the organization tab and you can onboard multiple sites with simple entries and configure them with ease. You can also assign users to each site and grant module access relevant to their roles, ensuring efficient and secure data management. You simply have to click on User Management tab under the Organization's Configuration button here. Next, you can create module access for data collection tailored to each site. These modules can be assigned to specific scopes of emissions, whether it is Scope 1, Scope 2, or Scope 3, effortlessly using our module access settings. Once the modules are assigned, the site users can go to the Data Management tab here. From the Data Management drop-down, choose the User Portal. You can log in to view and enter data for your assigned modules. The users can click on the Action tab here and can input the data manually. Or there is an option where you can click to upload the data file. Excel sheets of data can be added here. You can also connect your data sources to an external source here. Users can submit and save, discard, or recall the submitted data effortlessly. The emissions are calculated based on the software's emission factor database. Our platform maintains up-to-date emissions factor database. We research and upload accurate emission factors for your activity. Our platform also offers an administration data portal. You can simply click on the Data Management tab here and go to the Admin portal. You can review the submitted data. Simply click on the View Data tab here and you can review the entire set of data. After review, you can validate the data, put it on hold, or reject it based on your verification. The validated data then moves to the dashboard for the final review. A very unique feature of our portal is a target projections portal. Now, under the target projections portal, you can set emission reduction targets for your organization. You can define the base year, current emissions, and your reduction goals. So our platform visualizes these reduction trends and tracks your progresses on the basis of the absolute targets, intensity-based targets, science-based targets, and even the net zero targets that you may have developed internally in your organization. One of the most compelling features of our software is its integrated supply chain management portal. So for Scope 3 emissions, you can collaborate directly with your suppliers by providing them with individual login. You can create a list of suppliers, simply click on the OEM portal here, create suppliers, and then you can add the suppliers here. Suppliers will be able to enter their data through the supplier data portal here. So you see this red button here, the suppliers can click on this and can enter their sustainability data in terms of fuel and electricity emissions data. They can also enter their transportation data, production and revenue data, and even the carbon intensity can be added here. So this will allow suppliers to estimate their Scope 1 and Scope 2 emissions and allocate a portion to your company. Once your suppliers have added their data into their supplier data portal, in your portal, what we call as the OEM portal, on the dashboard, you will be able to see all the suppliers' data points in form of pie charts and other graphical representations. You can also see their weekly and monthly usages of fuel, electricity, etc. All this will help your organization to account for Scope 3 emissions data seamlessly. In addition to all this, our software comes with an inbuilt feature of an audit. So you can just go to this audit tab here, click on this, and this will allow you to create a GHG audit report wherein you can validate the emissions methodology, you can leave your comments. Also, the non-conformities reports can be created that can provide options for closure, ensuring compliance and transparency. ESG Disclose Carbon Accounting Software as a Service simplifies your carbon accounting for the entire organization, providing accurate, reliable, and comprehensive insights. So, what are you waiting for? Start your journey to a sustainable future with us today.